Today we're gonna see if we can tow a car using flex glue. Actually tomorrow, because we have to cut this rope in half and then get this thing to cure overnight. I mean, we could try it with an instant bond, but I have a feeling it's just gonna break. So we see the power of flex glue is pretty strong, according to Phil Swift.
For flex glue, the super strong.
And I have a feeling, once it's cured, I'll be able to use my Subaru, my $900 Subaru, tow Mr. Nick's nice 2015 JK Willys. And now to show you that this is a legit tow rope, we're just gonna tow it with it pretty much brand new as designed. See, the tow rope works pretty well. Now to cut this thing in half and then figure out if the flex glue is going to work or not. This stuff's pretty thick. She's thick. Damn boy, she's thick. This Walmart blade or whatever you can cut through. I don't think this is happening. Well, it's actually going. Yeah, it's getting a little bit. All right, well we're gonna edit all this sawing off because I have a feeling it's gonna take an extra 10 minutes.
8 hours later
to get through all this. Trailmaster Nick negotiating the corners. So internet scientists are gonna probably know better, but we've been kind of deciding whether we should like glue it as the rope was kind of intended, but it's like these sides are all different. This side is pretty slick. This side is kind of slick too, honestly. It's got a little more grip to it, but I guess this isn't really, I mean, this is really testing the glue itself. So I guess we're gonna go about this long, however long that is. That's probably like 8 or 9 inches or whatever. I'm thinking 2 strips might just be easier. Oh. To get splurt noises. To give it like a fighting chance, we're just gonna leave this overnight, even though it says 7 days full cure time, but in that video Phil's like stacking bricks immediately.
Flex glue's a powerful adhesive with amazing instant grab.
I don't know, you guys think this will be enough? I hope it'll be enough. That's what we got. Try to do this as smooth as possible. Alright, so it says it instantly bonds or instantly grabs. It's still very slippery. So I'm hoping that's enough. That's a lot. It's a big distance, a lot of glue. It's not really coming out of the sides. Alright, well tomorrow's another day. We'll get back out here filming. Maybe Nick will finally be able to master that hill once and for all. Hey, you got it before though, plenty of times. So we're back a day later. This thing's been sitting overnight. I don't know, probably about 18 hours of curing. Can't even find out where it was, but yeah, here we go. It's all, oh, it says 7 days to fully cure, but it also looks pretty strong. I think it's kind of peeling off here. So I feel like if we can just tow it flat, but if there's a jolt or anything, it's just gonna rip right apart. And maybe someone will end up in that nasty lake water down there, that pond. Look at, there's all like things sticking out of it. I feel like Solomon Grundy's gonna walk out of that lake at any second. All right, so there that flex glue joint is. It's overlapped, I don't know, it's about 9 inches or so. So I guess what do you think? We'll just ease right into it?
Ease into it.
Yeah, so you'll stay in neutral, no brake. I'll drive. Mr. Ray will film.
The strap is holding.
Pull you back. Go to neutral. You're going backwards? Yeah. Alright. Alright.
That's only 18 hours of curing, and we had a nice enough officer to stop by, and he wanted to make sure everything was legit. I think he approved some flex glue. This stuff has far exceeded my expectation for only a couple hours of cure time. Yeah, I don't know what else. I mean, we could try to see where it's going to fail. Yeah, I mean, I don't know what else to do. I really thought that would break. I'm very impressed with that hold, so, I mean, what do you think? Should we try to break it?
I think you should go up a hill now.
I think we should. Maybe,
He told us to have fun.
Yeah.
he did tell us to have fun.
If we stay on the road and go up the hill, well, didn't we
All right. I don't know. I'm still amazed by how strong that flex glue is. Oh.
I guess you can't hold flex glue control.
Well, in a case like this, we always have more flex glue.
That's true. I guess if you're in a jam or you're stuck somewhere in a ditch, the flex glue ain't gonna hold up too good, boys. It's kind of a one and done type of deal.
They wanted to behave in front of the cops.
So were you in park or something?
I don't think so.
Yeah. Like I mean, I thought I eased into it fairly easily, and it just kind of it sheared. At least we got that.
I think they're still kind of on the brake, but not
Oh.
too hard. Like I should have just eased out.
Well, yeah. If you're in a pinch, flex glue is your go-to. So can you use flex glue to tow? Yes. I wouldn't recommend it though, as we just saw. It's great for flat towing, but if you get a jolt or if you want to go up a hill, I wouldn't really recommend it at all. Hopefully that video was helpful for you for some reason. It was only a matter of time before this turned into a science channel anyway. So make sure you subscribe, like the video, it helps us out so much. Continue to watch, share it with a friend. Remember, as always, keep it foul.